Hello friends, welcome to Hrishi Computer Education. In this presentation, I will be guiding you about the course Autocad. Autocad is a computer-aided design software program used by professionals in fields such as architecture, interior design, civil engineering, mechanics, and electronics. Professionals who use Autocad are often referred to as drafters. So, what is the importance of Autocad? Autocad is one of the most important software for any engineer. AutoCAD is a computer-aided drafting software program used to create blueprints for buildings, bridges, and computer chips. It helps architects, designers, engineers, etc. to create designs and test the same before spending money, labor, or time. Let's discuss about the specific knowledge required for AutoCAD. You just need to learn some basic of engineering drawing and the marking system like ISO. Other things are some basic shapes and commands like line, rectangle, circle, trim, fillet, etc. As I told you before, the professionals who use AutoCAD are called as drafters. So who exactly the drafter is? A drafter is someone who uses software to convert the design of engineers and architects into technical drawings and plans. Workers in production and construction use these plans to build everything from microchips to skyscrapers. Following are few topics which are covered in AutoCAD design course. Curves, 3D modeling, multiple lines, geometric shapes, isometric drawings, linear dimensions, polar arrays, layers and line types. Now we will be discussing about role-specific responsibilities of drafters. He designed and prepared plans for using computer-aided design and drafting software. He produced effective product design by using their understanding of engineering and manufacturing techniques. He even adds structural details to architectural plans from their knowledge of building techniques. He prepared multiple versions of designs for review by engineers and architects. He specified dimensions, materials, and procedures for new building projects or products. He works under the supervision of engineers or architects. What are the career options after doing AutoCAD course? You can be a drafter, you can be a successful architect, and you can even be a very good and creative interior designer. So what will be the workplace of a drafter like? Like other workers who primarily use computers to do their work, drafters usually work indoors and full-time, although overtime is not uncommon. Drafters work in engineering and drafting service firms, architectural and landscape architectural firms, and various manufacturing industries. Thank you.